Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create racism in Infinity Craft. So, grab water and fire. So, grab water and wind to create a wave. Now water it to get a tsunami. Now take a fire and water, create a steam. Now combine earth and earth to get a mountain. Now take a earth and water to create a plant. And now combine earth tsunami, you get an island. Now plant and steam. Now combine mountain with a mountain to get a mountain range. Combine plant and water. Swamp. Now create a with an island to get a continent. Now grab tea and mountain range to create a tea party. Now combine swamp with continent to get Africa. Combine it with a tea party and you have a racism. And that's it. Hope you enjoy and I will see you later. Bye.